red, and we're on a mission. This is called shooting at crap. Thank you. Enjoy. Where's the ladies? I don't know. It's still on camera? Shoot them. They're coming right there. They're coming. Shoot them. Is it still on? Yeah, shoot them. They won't know where we are. Shoot them. Shoot them. They're right there. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shut up, gotta shoot. You ready? Get in the camera. You missed. Go. You hit it. Thanks. Let's give a round of applause for Clark. Stop. Let's go. Right in his car. Shoot. Oh, I didn't remember that. Give a round of applause. Alright, watch this, ready? Let's wait for the next car. There it is, there it is. Come on, get them. Even see it. Yeah. Are you out of ammo? So, dude, the cars come now. Yeah, I know. We got so much cars. Give a round of. Oh! I shot. Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh my god, it just. Where is it? Oh, God. What is it? Oh, crap. Shh. I'm right here. Shh. Go. Did you hit him? Did I hit him? Clark just shot down a bird. Crap, where's that? I don't know. Where's the bird? Huh? Where's the bird? I don't know, but I hit it right in the wind. You're so bad. I didn't know it was going to die. Car. Shh. Too late. Dude. Just shot down a bird. How do you feel? Did you get that on film? Yeah. Alright. Car. You sure you got that on film when the bird was like flying? Sure. Okay, stop it. I want to see it. Uh-oh, someone's stopping. You hit her. Someone's stopping. Oh God. Oh shit! You hit me! Ow! Dude! You hit me on my hip! You leaned back! Dude, you leaned back and hit me! Oh, alright. That was good,